Right, we're going to do Liath the kitten, and we're doing the third bullet. We're trying to find the times when Liath can reach both toys at the same time. So what you want is a general solution for when Liath can reach both toys. That means both toys have to be under 23 centimetres. The steps that we're going to use are these ones here. First, we're going to work out the lowest common multiple. In this case, it does work out to be 84, and I showed that in the video prior to this one. We're going to use the method of listing the times separately for working at the times when when Liath can reach the toys, and then we're going to determine from the lists when she can reach both toys, which is the condition that you were asked for. The fourth part is to work out the general solution, and because the common multiple is 84, we're going to add 84n to it, and n will be an integer. Step 1. Lowest common multiple is 12 and 12 and 14 is 84, and that's found in the last video. For toy 1, what you want to do is find out when it's under 23 centimetres. Okay, that's from 0 to 1.81. That's the first half. I'll just show you what it looks like. So the small toy is this one here. So that was from 0 to 1.81, which is that one there. So as you can see, and then we're going to explain that one in here and in here and in here. I'll just click on those so you can see them. Okay, and the numbers will just come up on Desmos. So I'm going to show you it in my answers. Okay, so here we go. So 0 to 1.81, that's the first half of that little blip that's underneath the 21 line, the line that was 23, sorry. And then it's from 10.19 to 13.81. And remember, this period is 12 seconds. So, and then every 12 seconds later. So what I've done is added 12 to this number and got this one. Added 12 to this number and got 25.81. And then to get the next part under the curve, I added 12 to this number and got this one, added 12 to that one and got this one, and kept on going until I got to 84. Now 84 falls in there somewhere, so that's where I've stopped. Okay, just to give you a show of what it actually looks like on the graph, I'll just give this for you. So what we're doing is I just turn those ones off. Oopsies. Okay, so we're looking at that part. We wrote the interval for this part, the time interval for that part, this part, this part, this part, all the way up to 84. Okay, I didn't stop at 84, I stopped just after, but that's not really really much different from what I'm doing. I did the same for toy 2. So what I did was I went to the graph for that one and I just turned this one on, and we're looking at these bits that are under the graph, under the line y equals 21. And we want to write them all up to 84 seconds. So that gave me these ones. You can do them in your own time. And because I repeat every 14 seconds, then I've taken that number and added 14, taken that one, added 14, taken this one, added 14, taken this one, added 14. And I've got these numbers here. The other way to do it is just read them off your curve. What we want now is when they're both under 23. So we're looking for the overlaps between this interval and these ones. Okay, if I look at here, that's 0 to 1.81. It doesn't fall in over here, so I'm looking at this one. So that's 9.794, and this 9.7194 falls to the left of 10.19. So that's not useful, but this number here falls into that interval. Okay, and this number here falls into that interval. So from 10.19 to 12.206, which I've written here, then Liath can reach both toys. So they're both under the curve. So it's just showing you what the curve actually looks like. I'll just turn these both on. Then I'm giving you this one here. So it's from that point there, and it goes to that one there. Okay, I'll see if I can get that one to come up. Nope, wrong one. It's a bit hard to click onto graphs, which is why I don't use this method. That's 10.19, and this one over here is 12.206. Okay, I'm just going to go back to my answers. Whoopsies. Okay, and that would give me that interval.